I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I also have the 13 Pro Max. And I want to get the 15 Pro. I don't think I'll get the Pro Max this year, but I do want to get the 15. So it was released on the 22nd of September. So let's see if I can actually buy this. So I'll get the 15 Pro. I just want to have a smaller phone, to be honest, not one which is so big. So I think the Pro should be fine for me. And in terms of color, I am tempted to get the black one, but I think I'll try natural titanium. It's kind of like the gold color in a way, because I've always wanted to get a gold like iPhone, but I've always found that it kind of looks a little bit tacky to have a gold phone. Plus you have a case on it anyway. But I think with this natural titanium color, you do have like kind of, it's like a grayish kind of gold in my opinion. So I think I'm going to go with that this year, the lighter color. I will probably get a 512 gigabyte one. I don't think I need a terabyte one. I won't trade in a phone. I'm probably going to give my current phone to a relative. Let me know if you do that as well. When you upgrade your phone, do you give like your old phone to your parents or something? I think it's always nice to do that. Yeah, so no trade in, buy it. I don't need Apple Care. And let's check. Add to bag. I think I'll get one of these cases. So I think I'll try these fine woven cases. So I'll get that one as well. Let's see. Ooh, green doesn't look too bad. Mulberry, Pacific blue, black. Black. It's either going to be one of these two. I think I'll get this one. So I'll get that. Let's review. Wait, why is it so high? Oh, I don't know what this is. Remove that. Yeah, so this is the total price. One of those, not two. Okay, bag total. Order today. Oh, it says 25th of October to 1st of November is when I'd get it. Let's see if I can pick this up. That's not my postcode, by the way, so I don't know what that is. It's saying I can pick up the case, but not the phone. It's annoying. Let's see if there's any other areas. No, it's not available. That's unfortunate. So I can get the case, but I can't get the phone itself. And if I was to order it, it will be 25th of October to 1st of November. And that's pretty much 1 month away. Damn. Okay, let's see if I can get it from eBay or something. Okay, I can get it from eBay, 1,529. How much was it on the Apple website? Wow. Okay, so that's like £300 more. Let's see if they can get one cheaper. Yeah, so that's the cheapest one, £1,529 on eBay, and if I ordered that, I will get it by tomorrow, it says here. Yeah, it's a shame, like Apple, well, obviously they're overwhelmed with the number of orders. I'm not sure if you've seen the number of people who were, yeah, this was the number of people in Dubai Mall trying to get hold of the new iPhone. So yeah, there's clearly an issue here when it comes to ordering. It's like this every year, you know. Unless you somehow manage to pre-order it for the day it's released, it's likely you won't get it. So if you miss it, you'll end up waiting like a month in order to get the phone. So I'll see what I can do. I'm not sure if I want to buy it through eBay. Maybe I'll check and see if I can get it through another website, like a Vodafone or EE website, but we'll see. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments section below.